Travel arrangements? I got you covered. Are you sitting down for this one? This couldn't have come at a worse time. Where do you want to travel to? Space. Let's go. Implode in space, implode in the ocean, doesn't matter, but the cost is a lot cheaper. Take a look at this. Come here, look at this. You can travel to space, take a life-changing journey to the edge of space. Are you serious? This is crazy. You open this up, you get this little pod, and you go up to space. This is what it looks like on the inside. And you can see here, it's $125,000 per person. Right there. This is crazy. You guys ready to go? What's safer? Traveling to space or going to see the Titanic? Too soon? I don't know. We'll leave that up to you. Let's go.